Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let's open our special class tonight by Bismillah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, well, good evening, buddy. What's up? Everybody has been okay?
Okay, nice to meet you.
Farel, Mr. Bintang, Miss Intan. Okay.
Fine.
Where is Miss Belinda? Miss Belinda, Mr. Gani. And then Mr. Adi. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, our agenda tonight, speech in the first section, and the second section is playing some games, of course, based on our English. Jadi seksi pertama itu speech, seksi kedua bermain games berdasarkan dengan kemampuan bahasa Inggris. Okay, thank you so much for joining in this class with me, Suju, in this Kampung English Indonesia. We meet again in this time, in this beautiful night. So, in this occasion, I would like to call to Mr. The next, please welcome to Miss Intan.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I would like to talk about someone always take something personality, or we can call it self-blame. As we have known together that in this life, everything we experience, everything we do, everything that we plan, actually, before it, something that has been planned by our God as something that has been, something that has been determined as the destiny of our life. But sometimes when something goes wrong
Stop, moment.
Okay.
Mr. Bintang, understand? Thank you, Miss Intan. Time is yours. Continue.
Okay. So when something goes wrong, when something that we plan is not work as we want to, but we start to blame ourselves. We start to say, why this has happened? This is could not be like this. Why this has happened because of me? We always blame ourselves too much. We don't thinking out of the. We don't always thinking. We always overthinking about that. And
the other friend, keep silent, please. Pay attention to your friend.
And we always thinking in this world always happen. Something happen always because of me. In this world, just we think in this world always everything is all about me. And maybe now we can change our mindset. We can change the perspective. How to be how to accept ourselves, love ourselves, how to make ourselves, don't blame ourselves, don't always blame ourselves. Because yeah, as we have known together, that our God has made a plan in our life for our destiny, and we have to believe that. We have we have to believe that that our God plans is the best plan for us. And if we always feel, if we always think that in this world is all about us, and the something wrong is about the something wrong always because of us. So then we what appears is guilty feeling, and then you blaming yourself too much, and then finally the sadness will overtake us continuously, not only in that moment. If we always blame ourselves when something goes wrong, and the sadness will overtake us continuously, we dissolve in it, and it's really danger for us, for our personality actually. So come on, guys, you can change your mindset, you can change your perspective, because you have to open your mind that in this world it's not all about us. There, everyone have their own business, everyone have their own plan, and correction your personality. Don't always blame yourself. Okay, maybe it's just that all from me. Thank you.
Okay, nice speaking and nice speech, Miss Intan. That's good. Give applause to Miss Intan. Give applause. Good. Okay, the conclusion is jangan menyalahkan diri sendiri.
Yeah.
Blame, menyalahkan. Jangan menyalahkan diri sendiri.
Blame, menyalahkan.
Ya, blame, menyalahkan. Okay, thank you. And if you have some question, you can keep your question and then you can ask to Miss Intan later after finish this speech. Okay, the next has been ready, Mr. Farhan. Next, okay, Miss Belinda, Miss B, come on, time is yours.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I'm sorry I came late because I have arrived from so far away. Apaan sih? Okay. So in this section, actually I don't know how to say it, but okay, I will try it. I will talk about journalistic. This is one of my subject in communication science, and I like it so much. So, what is journalistic? Journalistic is what is that process? Huh? No, journalist. This is the process when we want to get the news. So we need the process of journalistic. First, okay, I'm so sorry. First, we choose what the angle of the topic that we can that we will use for the news, and then after you choose it, you can go to the apa sih tempat kejadian. Go to the place that we can find the news or another fact that we can use it for our news, and then you write the news that you can. No. You can write it down what you get in that place, and then you can choose or you can take the video, the video that we can. I don't know. Actually, I don't know how to speak it. I'm so sorry. I don't speak it well. And then you can edit it. After that, you can publish it. So that is the process of journalistic. First, you choose what the angle, and then I'm so sorry, journalism. After, okay, incident, kejadian. Thank you. And then you can write it, edit it, and publish it. So after that, I'm gonna tell you about the media or in Indonesia that we know. There are a lot of kind of media, electronic and traditional, and also new media. First, we will talk about the traditional media. There are television, radio, newspaper, and magazine. Maybe sometimes we will find a news in magazine. And then the second, about electronic include television and radio. And the last is new media. We can find any news in social media, our social media. So the first, I will talk about traditional media. It means that we use television and radio to find a lot of information, or if you want to get another hiburan. What is hiburan? Entertainment. You can find it
entertainment.
You can find it in television too or radio. But in this era, you can find it in your phone. Everything you will get it in your phone easily. So what does that mean? We have to be the smart audience. What the media that we can choose for our need to get information. For example, there are a lot of hoax. Do you know about that? Something fake news, or the news is made by the person who doesn't have any, what is that? Code ethic, I don't know.
Ethical.
Okay. So they just, ethical. They just report it without any ethical. For example, they show the blood of the victim, or ethical. Okay. They show the blood of the victim, or they show the porn, something like that, freely without ethical. So be smart audience to choose what the platform that we use to get information, because in this era there are a lot of platform, there are a lot of person that who didn't think about the impact of their information like that. So I think enough. That's all my speech. I don't know aku ngomong apaan. I'm so sorry.
You must believe it. It's okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you, Mr. Suju. You are a good motivator for us.
Okay, thank you, Geopolos. Okay, thank you, Miss Belinda. Okay, nice speaking and nice speech over there. The speech, the title is about journalism. Okay, thank you so much, and thank you so much. Okay, the next I would like to call to Mr. Adi. Mr. Adi, where are you? Okay, time is yours.
Hello, Mr. Okay.
Yeah.
And here and tonight, I will tell you about law in Indonesia. I think in Indonesia, many concentration of law. There is international law, administrative law, civil law, and crime law, and anything, many. But in here, I can try to explain to concentration. The first, there is a crime law. Crime law, there is a relationship between government, between people, the people, human, in warga negara, in this people, in the nation law hukum. Okay, thank you, Mr. In crime law, to explain like capture crime, like KUHP, capture crime. And then in here, we are as people to rule by the government. So we cannot to melanggar, kita avoid.
Yeah. Disobey bisa.
Oh yeah, disobey. We cannot disobey. So if we disobey, we will to punishment from the government, I think. And then in the second, I will to tell you about private law. Private law, like we are to contract home, we are buy the motorcycle, buy home, buy land. This is private law, I think. And then in the private law, in here to function from people with a people, relationship people with a people. In the private law, there is no government for to what ikut campur. There is no government. So in the private law, just people to people relationship. The example you, Mr. Suju, buy a car in by car from me. Okay, this is termasuk private law.
Include.
And then
include.
Nowadays, like HIP, haluan Indonesia Pancasila, haluan ideologi Pancasila. There is many problem in here, many mistake, I think, like omnibus law and HIP. I think this is propaganda from communist. I think this is communist because many people there is from loss from loss about what about policy from the government. There's from the labor, and then us many the children, the and the mahasiswa, I think very lost about the policy, I think. And then like nowadays, law in Indonesia very crowded now because there is hukum acara pidana new hukum acara pidana, capture crime. This is years ago, crime law adopt from Holland because Indonesian use asas convention, who nation adopt from the nation colonial. So Indonesia adopt rule crime capture from the Holland. from 75 years, I think. And then now Indonesia try to make capture crime, but and the fact this is rule very very bad, I think, because there is about perzinahan, there is very very
Oke, adultery, perzinahan.
but Mister
Adultery tulisannya. Adultery, perzinahan.
Adultery, there is like wife and husband can to punishment about pasal adultery if the husband memaksa to
Force
the wife to like making love, I think. This is very very crazy about the rule. So I think the maker of regulator, is very very no, they are not see in the people, in the around of people. They're just what do you say? What do you think? He say like that, Mister. And then talking about law in Indonesia, Indonesian many regulator profit in the operator. Regulator in operator like that BUMN, I think. This is BUMN yang mengawasi from the government. So regulator and operator one door. This is very very not justice, I think, in the UMKM in swasta in the other. So this is now the law in Indonesia, I think, very bad. So insyaAllah 5 years ago I will to prepare the law in Indonesia. I think like that, Mister.
Finish.
Thank you.
Oke, welcome Mr. Adi. Oke. Supervise, mengawasi, adultery, perzinahan.
Thank you, Mister.
Di chattingan ya, di chattingan. Oke, thank you so much for Mr. Adi. Oke, it was talking about the policy of Indonesia or Indonesian policy based on this condition and situation. And last time we has discussed about HIP constitution. Okay, thank you. The next, Mr. Gani. Is there Mr. Gani? Alvarel? Okay, Mr. Bintang, time is yours.
Good evening. Good evening,
all.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, good evening, sir.
I talk about my restaurant today. Today is fantastic day because in the day and Wednesday I stay live in my restaurant, look at around the place, look at around the kitchen, look at around the cashier. I check all walls. I check for cleaner my floor. I check cleaner for my school. But in special day, some quest is istimewa. Ada Asanti sama Anang today. You know? Today Asanti sama Anang come to my restaurant.
Anang Asanti?
Yeah. Anang
Where is the picture?
And management. They tidak mau difoto, but untuk dieksplor, nggak mau. Sama manajemennya nggak boleh, manajernya nggak boleh.
And then
enough.
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 Okay, thank you, Mr. Bintang. Has been trying. Okay.
I try.
The next.
I try.
Okay, keep spirit and try. Always try and try. Thank you. Next, Mr. Farel.
Yes, saya beli ini nih. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Farel.
Yes.
Okay, time is yours to give some speech. Waktunya bagi sampean untuk memberikan pidato. Sepatah,
Okay.
dua patah, 5 kata, 5 lembar, it's okay.
I think I forgot about something. It's about online learning. Well, I think about it. Due to the pandemic of this corona thing,
What is the title, Farel?
Online. Begitu saja. Online.
Online, okay.
Yeah. Due to the pandemic, we humans cannot actually interact with others in reality, but we can interact with them online with our internet devices. So we can't meet actually, but we can meet virtually without actually having the cost to spread the pandemic. So what I'm thinking about is people now actually have to work, study, learning everything from home, because due to the current statement of the world, we have actually been lazying around, not doing anything. But thankfully, we can still get to meet each other, learn, and work. So that is all, people. Thank you very much for your time to listen to my speech, even though it's short. Okay, I'm done.
Finish. Okay. Mr. Farrell has been talk about online because of the problem of virus 19. Okay, one of the vocabularies that I got from Mr. Farrell, interaksi. Kalau softy artinya dihilangkan menjadi interact, berinteraksi. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Farrell. Okay, for brother and sister, before I continue to this materi, sebelum saya melanjutkan ke materi berikutnya, please check out your chatting. What kind of vocabularies that we have got in this night? Okay, the first is blame. Blame, the meaning menyalahkan. Blame. Don't blame yourself. Jangan menyalahkan dirimu. Journalism. Journalism, it's meant that kode etik dari jurnalis. Jurnalistik, ya. Journalism. Okay. Incident, keajaiban. Incident, kejadian.
Kejadian.
Ya.
Kejadian.
Incident or accident, kejadian. Oke. Okay. Entertainment, hiburan. Kalau entertain only, there is menghibur. Oke. Okay. I can entertain you with my entertainment. Or dihilangkan tinya, I can entertain you by my entertainment. Oke, okay. Ethic code, kode etik. Law, hukum. Oke, okay. Citizen, warga negara, including, termasuk. Policy, kebijakan. Policy, kebijakan. Adultery, persinahan. And then supervise, mengawasi. And then special, istimewa. And then the last vocabularies that we got tonight is interact or interact, berinteraksi. Okay, that new vocabularies that we got tonight. Okay, thank you, brother and sister, ladies and gentlemen. Before before that, let me give some question for Miss Intan. Miss Intan. Miss Intan, hello, are you okay?
Yeah.
My question for Miss Intan. Okay. What is the moral value from your speech? Pesan moral value.
Pesan pesan moral value is we have to know that everything that we plan is not always will run as we want. We have to know that our God has the plan for us, the best plan, and always blame yourself for everything goes wrong, because it's you took it. Uh, don't think in this world everything is all about you. I think that.
Okay, thank you. It's a nice moral value. Okay, the next. Based on this capture on my phone. So the next, Mr. Adi Triaji. Okay, what is your moral value? Persiapan, Mr. Bintang.
Belum.
Mr. Adi. Mr. Adi, stay tuned on us. Do you have?
Nanti speakernya mute.
Mute. Okay, Mr. Bintang. Mr. Adi, okay ya, Mr. Adi.
What, Mister? Moral. What?
Moral value-nya on your
Moral value. The pigs auditory from the citizen. So, from if the government make the policy, I think must study case study from the citizen. I think like that, from the problem. What do you want from the citizen? I think not the government make the policy by yourself. I think like that.
Okay, finish.
I think like that. Done.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bintang.
I don't have value.
What is the okay, sir? Okay, I have some question for you. What is the commitment you give to your employee? Apa komitmen yang Anda berikan ke karyawan Anda?
Komitmennya take a best. Berbuat sesuatu yang baik untukmu berarti berbuat sesuatu untuk perusahaan berarti berbuat sesuatu yang baik untuk kalian sendiri.
Oh, berbuat sesuatu untuk perusahaan itu artinya sama halnya berbuat sesuatu yang baik untuk kalian sendiri, gitu.
Ya.
Okay, make the good thing.
Best.
Good thing. Finish, Star.
Finish.
Okay, yeah, Miss B.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is your moral value?
Use the right platform to get the information and be the smart audience to menerima. What is
Receive.
also get receive all the information that you get. Be smart,
Okay,
and
finish.
use the right platform to get and receive the information in this era.
Okay, yuk, Mr. Farel.
Yes.
What is the moral value on your speech last time? Pesan moralnya apa?
About social no. I need to about interacting with people through online. That is actually the moral of my speech.
Ayo.
Moralnya tadi saya bilang itu.
Apa?
Tidak kedengaran kah?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Iya, Kapten.
Moralnya itu tentang interaksi secara sosial meskipun tidak dapat melakukannya secara langsung, hanya bisa melakukan secara virtual, tidak secara langsung. Itu moralnya.
Okay. Okay, thank you everybody here. Okay, before I continue, any question for us? If you have some question, kalau ada pertanyaan, please share to your friend, to Mr. Bintang, Mr. Ade, Miss P, Miss Intan, and Mr. Farel. Because Mr. Gani doesn't come. Kalau ada pertanyaan, silakan. Or for me.
Ada Mr. Gani, Mr.
Mr. Gani is here.
Mr. Gani?
Yes, come. I'm sorry, I'm late.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Gani. Okay, sir. I understand, Captain. I am Captain. Okay, yeah, Mr. Gani. Would you like to give us some speech or motivation tonight?
Motivation.
Speech aja, speech. Because everything you say is good for us, sir. Apapun yang Anda ucapkan baik bagi kita.
Amin.
Apa ya?
Ayo, one, two,
seperti apa?
three,
Seperti apa, Pak? Seperti apa, Pak?
Memberikan pidato tentang intinya lah memberikan kesehatan atau apa gitu, atau bekerja dengan tim dan lain sebagainya.
Apa ya?
How to be businessman.
How to be businessman.
How to make the second wife, maybe. It's up to you.
To be a good businessman, maybe need more capital, and then we must to make the relation and many friends to make the network, and then and if we want to be a good businessman, we have honest and hard work. Apa lagi?
Finish?
Finish.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Gani.
Thank you. I'm sorry I'm late to join the class.
Okay, to be businessman, the first we have to have financial or capital or modal, and then the second we have to be hard worker, pekerja keras. Majadah wajadah, siapa yang keras dia yang dapat. Okay, thank you. And then the second or the next, any question Ada pertanyaan? Oke, seperti tadi judulnya Miss Intan tentang jangan menyalahkan diri sendiri, judulnya Miss B tentang jurnalisme, judulnya Mr. Adi tentang hukum, law, judulnya Mr. Bintang tentang restoran, Mr. Gani tentang bisnis, and then Mr. Farel tentang online. Oke? Oke.
Okay, Mr.
Mr. Bin, ada pertanyaan silakan.
I will ask Miss B, I think, about journalism.
Yeah.
Okay. How we are to, if face to face with a journalist, and the journalist will to threatening, mengancam threatening us to menyebarkan share the attitude bad, I think, bad attitude us, and the journalism ask some money for to not share,
and the journalist ask for some money to the bad attitude, our bad attitude, to tidak jadi di-share.
Can you give me an example? What case?
Example. I'm about what about aku apa ya? I'm always sleep in rapat in the meeting.
Yeah.
And the journalism like from search any bad attitude in the or me example. So,
yeah. And then
the journalistic ask some money for not share bad our me.
I see. I get the point.
What about you about like
what's my opinion about that?
Ethic code, yes, like.
Okay, so if the journalist got a video that someone do something bad and for apa ya? For akhirnya nggak jadi nge-share gitu kan? Apa ngomongnya? I don't know how to say it in English. For keep that video, the journalist ask some money from someone who did bad something bad like that. Is it true?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think just some of the journalists do that because we say it in Indonesia oknum.
Yeah.
Because we have ethic code that we if we melanggar it, we will get
break.
Okay, if we break the ethic code, we will get the punishment from the government. Oh, sorry, from the policy.
Jury of journalism, I think.
From the lembaga of pers. Apa sih lembaga apa?
Indonesia.
We will
Pers
get a punishment
institution.
from Pers institution. We will get a punishment from Pers institution because every journalist they have kartu pers of card. Yeah, am I right? Pers card. So the journalist have to ask a permission before he take a video, or the journalist have a free what is that? Yeah, they can do anything if they bring their card. For example, if I'm the journalist in the in my campus, and I will take a picture when my lecturer do something bad, yeah, I can do it freely because saya dilindungi oleh kartu. Apa ya? I'm dilindungi protect by my card.
Okay.
If the journalist has the card, it means that he or she know the ethic code, like that. You got my point? I'm so sorry. I'm so bingung, confused how to tell it. You got my point, Mr. Ade? Okay.
Okay, I get.
Okay, finish.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Next, my question, Mr. Gani.
Mr.
Gani.
I have a question for Mrs. Belinda.
Yeah.
Okay.
I see you very understand about journalistic work.
Yeah. So what do you want to ask?
Is journalistic is your hobby?
Yes. I like journalism.
And how the trick? how the trick makes interesting news for people to read your news? How the trick to make interesting news for the people to read your news?
Oh, I see. Okay, I will explain you. But first, I will take my book. Here's, I have some notes about the, we call it news value. Every journalist will know about news value. Okay, I will give you an analogy. If we are in what is that? In a place that has a lot of angle that we can choose, the journalist will choose what the angle that we can take based on the berapa ya? There are, I think, around 11 news values. Okay, some of them, what is that? I don't know how to say it in English. Memiliki nilai kebaruan. Apa ya, Mister ya? Itu suaranya di mute, Mister.
Mikrofon, Mister.
Mikrofon, Mister. Sedih saya.
More explain what the Mister not here.
Okay. Has the news itu news value?
Okay. The other is that we can apa ya, dijadikan dasar untuk memilih angle. It will be the dasar if we choose that angle if that accident is about sex or crime. So there will no berita yang sia-sia. There will no apa sih? Berita yang sia-sia itu apa misalnya? Kalau aku pilih kata-katanya yang susah. Berita yang sia-sia.
Ya, nonsense news. Nonsense news.
Nonsense. Okay. There will no nonsense news yang telah dipilih oleh jurnalis.
That has chosen by journalist.
That has chosen by journalist. Okay. So there will no innocent news that has chosen by the journalist. They choose that news based on the news value. You got it, Mr. Hartawan Gani? Okay. The other news value is proximity. For example, if there is people from Indonesia lived in Malaysia and they got a bad perlakuan when she worked there. And we can choose it. The journalist can choose it to be the news because itu memenuhi salah satu syarat, because that
Terus.
Okay, because it has a proximity, like this news will share in Indonesia, and the people from Indonesia that live in Malaysia, they got a bad perlakuan from their majikan. Itu memenuhi berita karena ada syarat proximity atau kedekatan. You got it, Mister?
Kriteria.
Yeah, there are some criteria that can choose from the journalist. By the journalist.
The angle of the news is menentukan ya, gitu ya.
Yeah.
Determine.
Determine.
Menentukan.
Ya. Pokoknya kayak gitulah. Pokoknya ada news value-nya.
Thank you very much for explanation.
Yeah, oh my God. Yeah, thank you very much for helping me to say English. Oh.
Okay, thank you, Miss Belinda. The next, my question for Mr. Gani. Okay, which one is the most influencing between capital and link or connection or relation to be business?
All of them is important. All of them is important.
Which one is the first step?
I think it's a network. It's important.
Network is important.
Yes.
Orang dalam.
Okay, how to make ourselves ready to be businessmen? How to make ourselves ready to be businessmen?
Make the many network for your friend, because if you get the business, but if you not network, it's susah berkembang. It's
difficult to improve.
Difficult to grow or improve. I think that.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Gani. I got it. Okay, Mr. Adi, do you have some question, Mr. Adi?
Wait. I will question to Mr. Bintang, I think.
I will ask some question.
What do you ask?
I will ask some question to Mr. Bintang.
Oke, yuk silakan. Mr. Bintang lagi santai tuh, sambil ngopi dia. Tanyakan.
About Anang Ashanti.
Okay, good. Anang Ashanti.
And they are come to your cafe, your restaurant.
Cafe.
And do you talk with them? And if you talk, why you not to menawarkan offer to corporation with Anang Ashanti, what about endorsement, iklan, sponsor? I think to their businessmen will be to top in the top. I think
grow up.
Like that, Mr. Bintang.
Jadi kalau dalam restoran kami ini sangat simpel. Ya, siapapun, termasuk para menteri kan sering datang nih ke restoran kita ini. Kita memberi privasi terhadap mereka. Kalau dia tidak menawarkan diri untuk difoto, privasi, dia mau duduk di mana. Seperti Mahfud MD itu suka di pojok di buah kandang kebo gitu ya. Sukanya di situ aja. Memang kita nggak pernah foto, nggak pernah ganggu gitu. Dia suka di situ. Jadi tadi Asanti datang sama Anang, ya kita tawarkan mau diekspor enggak, mau kita taruh di IG-nya enggak. Tapi ya nanti kita kabari. Ternyata sampai dia pulang nggak ngabari ya sudah. Apa? Kita juga nggak foto ya. Ketika ada karyawan yang menawarkan foto, ya salaman aja dia udah gini nggak mau gitu. Nah, mungkin
Why you not what? Pardon, Mister?
Ya juga takut dieksplor kenapa mereka sampai jalan-jalan kemana-mana, mungkin begitu ya.
Oh yes, about pandemic corona.
But actually there's in their vlog YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Then Miss Intan, continue your question.
No, I don't give a question, but I just add the statement. Actually, I think Ashanti Anang, if they don't want to share what where they go, where they went, where they traveling. Actually, they have a documentation in their vlog on YouTube.
Yeah.
But maybe maybe it is in where is it what specific place?
Komplit dari Asanti Anang sama siapa itu? Anak-anaknya itu?
Aurel.
Azriel.
Ya, kita hafal banget ya keluarganya. I want to ask you, Mr. Bintang.
Ternyata Anang itu kecil jelek gitu ya?
Ya.
Kalau Asanti emang cantik itu, sama Aurel itu cantik.
Astagfirullah.
Kalau Anang itu kecil ya.
But he have much money, many money, much.
Money boy.
Anang
he is rich.
Businessman.
Yes, businessman and.
You have any company ya?
Politikus, how to say politikus?
Politics.
Sukanya jual beli saham gitu. Dari waktu masih menyanyi.
He sacrificed for his life.
Yes, sacrifice.
Why do we talk about?
Okay, Miss Belinda, you said you have some question for Mr. Bintang. Katanya Miss Belinda punya pertanyaan untuk Mr. Bintang.
Mr. Bintang, I'm gonna ask you something. Do the visitors affect the price? Like the minister who comes to your restaurant or the artist comes to your restaurant and itu is it will change your price of your menu? You got my question?
Apakah itu akan merubah harga?
Iya, apakah pengunjung itu mempengaruhi?
My menu is very traditional menu.
Very apa, Mister?
Traditional menu, very
politik.
Low cost.
Oh, you sell it with the low price?
Low price.
Price?
Yeah, low price. Low price.
Oh, I see. What is cheap?
For misalnya 4 orang di kafe kita itu bisa belanja itu habisnya cuma 100.000 gitu.
Huh?
Bisa ini.
So really cheap.
And very cheap.
Yeah, so we have to go there.
Duduk di restoran kita jarang 1 jam pulang ini.
Okay, thank you, Mister.
Okay, Mr. The next, maybe, is there some question or not?
Actually, I have a question for Miss Yusriani.
Okay.
About your topic, don't blame yourself. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but how if we know that kesalahan itu, that fault, it come from ourselves. How, gimana ya, bahasa Indonesianya itu bagaimana bisa kita tidak menyalahkan diri sendiri ketika kita tahu kesalahan itu dari diri kita. I don't know how to say it in English. It's a difficult word.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do we know the mistakes? Actually, it's come from us, but how do we not blame? How we don't blame ourselves?
Yeah.
Last time, I say that what we plan is going wrong.
Admin, bunyinya kok makin keras ya, geruduk-geruduknya. Oke, lanjutkan Miss Intan.
How we can say to ourselves, it's not only your fault, it's not only your mistake. We realize that happened is because of us, not all of the thing is come from us, and we have to how to say, we realize our mistake and we have to repair it, but how to berdamai dengan diri kita.
Peace, maybe. Peace with ourselves.
Yeah.
Peace with ourselves. And we try to solve the problem. We try to we try to look for the solution of the problem in our plan, and aduh aku lupa poinnya. And we tell everyone. We try to tell anyone else. How about me? How do you think if I do like this? And ask help to the other. Don't only blame yourself, because not all things you can control by yourself. You need help, and you have to tell someone to help you
about our problem.
Yes, about our problem.
To ask them
Exactly.
for help us. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
just
you, Miss
that's all.
Intan.
Finish, Miss B.
Yes, I got the point.
Okay, brother and sister, ladies and gentlemen.
10:30.
Okay, thank you. Sudah 9:30 ya. Thank you. How to improve our speaking skill? Of course, the first, find an English conversation partner. Bagaimana cara meningkatkan bahasa Inggris kita? Find your English speaking conversation partner. Jadi mencari teman ya. Make some video with your friends, okay? And then make sure that to listen as well as possible. So studying listening, the other friends speaking and others. Okay? And then record your conversation. Kalau masih ada waktu untuk mengembangkan speaking skill kalian, jadi conversation-nya itu di-record sendiri. Enak nggak didengarkan seperti itu? Belajar. Oke. Autodidact. Oke. Okay, make your environment by English. Buat environment kalian itu penuh dengan bahasa Inggris. Contohnya, pintu membuka bahasa Inggrisnya apa, makan bahasa Inggrisnya apa. Jadi write down on your wall, on your mirror and others. Okay? With music, practice with music and with video on YouTube. That is good because for about 80% of my friend comes from Bari, always practice with a video. Okay? Okay, and then read it aloud. Membaca kosakata percakapan itu dengan suara. Suara yang keras, suara yang keras. Okay? And then the last, talk to yourself. Ngobrol dengan dirimu sendiri. If you don't have friend. Okay, that's all maybe. Sorry for this time. Always come out from our time. Thank you for coming. Keep our spirit. And then always practice your English. See ya next time. See ya tomorrow. Let's close Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you. Tatafuna. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.